Naghahanap ka ba ng perfect location to build your dream home? Imagine this. Parang paradise na to. Hindi ito resort. Ito, yung lote mo rito sa Crisela, Nuvali. It's a good day for a new lot here in Crisela, Nuvali. I'm Berhel, the Estate Blueprint, and magandang araw po sa ating lahat. Especially sa ating client and viewers in abroad like USA, Canada, Australia, Singapore, UAE, and Europe. Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Kung naghahanap kayo ng good location and perfect canvas to build your dream home, yung very secured with 24/7 security, eco-friendly, Crisela Nuvali is good choice for you. Good news po, kaka-open lang ng aming Sector 3 dito sa Crisela Nuvali, and this is the best chance na makapili po kayo ng lote nyo rito. Ang mga lote po namin dito is our amenity lots, kung saan this is our premium lot here na malapit po sa amenity area, malapit po sa entrance, kung saan very walkable lang po siya kung saan man po located ang ating mga property. Samahan niyo po muna ako sa isang mabilis lang pong drive tour para malaman lang po natin kung paano pumunta dito sa Crisela Nuvali, and malaman niyo lang din po yung mga current establishment and developments dito sa Nuvali. So tara, samahan niyo po ako. Then take natin yung first exit papuntang Calax, then akyat lang po tayo dun sa flyover, then after that, nasa Nuvali proper na po tayo. Meron din naman po tayong ibang routes, no, tulad ng Santa Rosa exit, Eton exit, Cabuyao, Silangan, Canlubang, and Batino exit, na magiging pinakamalapit na entry point po papuntang Crisela Nuvali in the future. By the way guys, Nuvali is the largest eco-estate development of Ayala land in the Philippines. Guys, akala natin when we say Nuvali, it composed of Ayala Malls lang, SNR, and Landers, but Nuvali po is napakalaki pa po dito sa loob. Kaya Nuvali is divided into 4 segments, which are the Nuvali North. This is our main commercial business district, the Nuvali Central, the Nuvali Heights, and Nuvali South, where Crisela Nuvali is located. So ngayon, nandito po tayo sa Nuvali North. Dito po located yung mga sinabi kong Ayala Mall Soledad 1, Soledad 2, 3, and ongoing construction of Soledad 4. Dito rin po located yung SNR, Landers, the Seda Hotels, the Museum for Architecture and Residences na magkakaroon po ng art gallery and museum sa baba. Then sa taas naman po is mga luxury condos po na in the future isa po ito sa magiging tourist attraction natin dito sa Nuvali. Then dito rin po located yung Techno Hub. Meron din po tayo ditong hospital, the Healthway Qualimed. And dito naman po sa aking left side is the East Block. This is one of the pocket business district natin dito sa loob. And in my right side naman po is the North Central Business District. Wala pa pong official size nito, pero kung titingnan po natin sa mapa, this is almost 5 times of East Block, kung saan in the future ito po yung magiging BGC natin dito sa Nuvali. And good news po, kaka-open lang po ng Jollibee dito, and meron din po tayo ditong McDonald's, Uniqlo, and CBTL. And the good part po of investing or owning a property here in Nuvali is kasama po sa binili nyo all the conveniences, the establishments here na hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas or lumayo pa ng Nuvali. And also, I just want to congratulate lang po our company, Ayala, for being one of the best company today. O diba? Ang sarap pakinggan, especially to us, na even to our investor na knowing this is a very reassuring to us na we are in the good hand and we are in the right developer. And now, we are approaching the rotonda. Take lang po natin yung second exit because the first exit is papunta pong Casile Road, which leads you to Tagaytay and Marcos Mansion. So, ngayon, nandito po tayo sa Nuvali Central. As you can see po, unang bubungad sa atin ay ang Central Block. Ito naman po yung Pocket Business District natin dito sa Central, kung saan ito naman po yung mag-accommodate para sa ating mga central resident dito. Kung saan may offerings din po dito ng mga malls, tertiary schools, banks, and other establishment po in the future. And good news po, ongoing na po yung construction ng Mary Mart and the shops para po sa ating mga central residences. Ay hindi na po natin kailangan lumabas para mag-grocery dahil may sarili na po tayong mga commercial area dito sa loob. Dito rin po sa Nuvali Central located ang condominium namin, which is the Solara Park Stories Nuvali. So sa mga naghahanap po ng condo, pwede nyo po akong i-message, just PM po sa main number 0966-205-8031. Dito rin po sa Nuvali Central located ng isa sa mga schools natin, which is the Xavier Schools. By the way guys, this road right here is our main road called the Nuvali Boulevard. This connects our commercial district to our community, and aside from that, mapapansin natin yung mga trees natin, This is properly placed, and soon pag nagsilakihan po ito ay para siyang magiging canopy natin dito sa ating kalsada na sobrang lilim, napaka-presko. Kumbaga ang feeling natin is nasa ibang bansa po tayo. No traffic, no octopus wiring, no stress, and napakarami pong open spaces na in the future po makikita pa po natin sa side, may mga expansion pa po tayo for our roads. Kung saan may agreement ang Santa Rosa City Government and Ayala Land na magkakaroon dito ng one-stop government shop like SSS, PhilHealth, and other government services. Grabe ganito kaganda dito sa Nuvali, and magkakaroon din po dito ng convention center for concert, big events. So guys, dito makikita nyo, in my left side is the Rockwell South. This Rockwell, hindi po siya part ni Nuvali. This is approximately 60 to 70 hectares in size. Possible daw po na magkaroon daw dito ng power plant mall na knowing Rockwell. Napakagaling po niya when it comes to developing commercial area. Kaya sigurado pong mag-benefit din po tayong mga Nuvali residents dito. And vice versa din naman po, The Rockwell residents will benefited din po sa ating development dito sa Nuvali. So as we go along, papuntang Nuvali South, as you can see po, pataas na po tayo ng pataas, dahil dito po sa Nuvali, this is a rolling terrain kung saan ang mga residential community po natin ay dito located, kaya makakasigurado po tayo na flood is never been an issue and sobrang presko at hangin po dito sa South area. Ang kagandahan po dahil mataas na po dito sa Nuvali South, meron po tayong prime view ng Laguna de Bay, Tagaytay Ridge, Mount Makiling, and greeneries po in our other side. And this T road po, makikita nyo, dito po allocated yung 10 hectares na gagawing alfresco mall na in the future ito naman po ang magiging mall natin dito sa Nuvali South na magkikater po para sa mga residente natin dito sa Nuvali South. And dito rin po sa Nuvali South, meron din pong allocated na 31 hectares na activation area kung saan may existing na pong gold driving range, and soon magkakaroon din po ng bike trail, pet areas, and community. And in our right side naman po is the Everest Academy, one of our schools inside Nuvali. And mamaya in my left side naman po, madadaanan naman natin ang Miriam College. These are the 3 schools here na kumbaga if you are living here ay hindi nyo na kailangan pang lumabas po ng Nuvali. This is the perfect chance po na makapili po tayo ng lot natin dito sa Crisela habang naka-pre-selling stage pa lang po tayo dito. And makapag-build po tayo ng sarili nating bahay in the future. And for the payment term naman po, we have 2 options. At with 10% spot DP, pag ito po ang pinili nyo, meron po tayong malaking discount. And the other option po is the zero spot down payment na kung saan may longer term naman po tayo up to 42 months. Kaya mas makakapaghanda po tayo in the future. Crisela Nuvali is our newest community here, and it composed of 13.5 hectares in size, and it is located in the highest peak of the south. Kaya sobrang taas po ng elevation natin dito, no? And dahil po sa taas ng elevation, flood is never been an issue po pagdating dito sa Crisela Nuvali. And dito po sa ating lote, no, explain ko lang po na after po ng ating property is may walkpath pa po tayo dito, which is napakalapad pa po, and may planting strip pa po before yung gutter. So ganito po kagalante si Avida na magbigay po ng malaking space para sa ating mga buyers, no? Guys, this is our sample lot here in Crisela, kung saan mag-start po siya sa 134 square meter up to 250 square meter. Ganito po yung mga cut lot size natin dito. Ito pong kinatatayuan ko is the sample lot here. Inner lot po siya, no? Kung saan yung mga gantong lote po ay pwede natin patayuan ng gusto nating bahay in the future. Basta masunod lang po yung mga restrictions natin, which are earth tone color po yung bahay natin, and modern contemporary naman po yung design. So if you considering po na mag-invest muna for lot only, kagandahan naman po dito, we have a prime view po. Depende po sa facing ng our property. In our north, may view po tayo ng Tagaytay region, and if you are facing naman po in the east, we have the Mount Makiling, and kung nakaharap naman po yung property nyo in the south, we have a greeneries naman po, ano? So kahit saan naman po tayo naka-face is may view po tayo with nature. For lot only, mag-start po yung price natin at 25,000 per month after 10% spot down payment. We have options naman po, ano, na hindi maglabas kaagad ng spot payment dahil may option naman po tayo for no spot down payment. If you are interested po dito sa aming lot, you can message me po on my WhatsApp Viber at 0966-205-8031, or you can message me po on my personal account Berhel Torreja, or on my page The Estate Blueprint. So this is it for my drive tour and Crisela tour. I do hope na nag-enjoy po kayo, and for more details and for your reservation of your property here, just message me lang po. And once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bells for more update. Once again, this is Berhel Torreja, The Estate Blueprint, where your future home start with a plan.